Hi everyone, this video is going to be about hand hygiene. So first of all, what is hand hygiene? If you know the word hygiene, it means keeping yourself clean. Hand hygiene is the practice of keeping your hands clean and healthy, especially to prevent disease. Hand hygiene protects you and the people around you. The simple act of just cleaning your hands can prevent the spread of germs, and fewer harmful germs means less getting sick, both for you and your loved ones. So let's talk about when you should wash your hands. You should wash your hands before, during, and after making food, before and after eating food, after touching an animal, animal food, or animal waste, before and after spending time with someone who is sick, before and after treating a cut or wound, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, after using the toilet, of course, after touching garbage, and whenever your hands are visibly dirty. Now let's talk about how to wash your hands. There are 5 steps to washing your hands correctly, and you don't want to forget any of them. Wet, lather, scrub, rinse, and dry. The first thing you want to do is wet your hands using clean running water. Then you can turn off the tap and apply soap. Next, you want to lather your hands by rubbing them together with the soap. Lather the backs of your hands, between your fingers, and under your nails. Next, you want to scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you want to time yourself, you can sing the happy birthday song from beginning to end twice, and that'll be 20 seconds. Your fourth step is to rinse your hands well under clean running water. Make sure you get any soap and any dirt off of your hands. And the last thing you want to do is dry your hands using a clean towel or an air dryer. And if you're using a faucet, then what you want to do is take a paper towel before you turn off the faucet, dry your hands, and then use the paper towel to turn it off so you don't get your hands dirty again after washing them. Now, what if you can't find soap and water? You can actually still maintain hygiene, even though washing your hands is definitely the best way to keep them clean. If you can't find soap and water, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol, and make sure you wash your hands with soap and water as soon as you can. Once you're done washing your hands and they're clean, use lotion if you can, because this can keep the skin on your hands soft and prevents any wrinkles or dry skin. You also want to be sure to wear sunscreen on your hands in addition to the rest of your body whenever you go outside. Your hands can get sunburned too. And lastly, keep your nails trimmed and neat to prevent any buildup or dirt underneath. Okay, thank you for watching.